हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लेकर आ गए हैं बहुत बढ़िया वाले 7 क्वेश्चंस। जब हम छोटे थे तब भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे और आज भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो दीज आर द 7 टॉप क्लास क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद 1056 एंड हियर इट इज 11। 56 प्लस 11 और 56 माइनस 11, ऐसा कोई एंगल जो आप जानते हो? 56 minus 11 you know very well, 45. It means this 1056 we can write as in very simple way 45 plus 11. बस हो गया क्वेश्चन। 10a plus b formula is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. This is nothing but 1056. What is 1045? You know, 1. So 1 plus 1011 divided by 1 minus 1011. And what is 1011? Sin by cos. Sin 11, cos 11, sin 11 by cos 11. And if you take the LCM, what we are getting? Cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree. See, RHS. Hence, this is nothing but equals to RHS. It started from LHS and it is RHS. Easy. Second sum. 1 plus 10a and 1 plus 10b, we want to prove 2. But what is given? A plus b is 45 degree. A plus b 45, it means we can say that b is 45 minus a. We want to convert the complete question in terms of a. So here we can write 1 plus 10a. For b, we can write 10 45 minus a because we want to convert only in variable a. We want to prove this answer equals to 2. So here we start 1 plus 10a as it is and 1 plus, again the same formula, 10a minus b. You know, 10a minus 10b, 1 plus 10a 10b. Easy. What is 1045? 10th class. 1 plus 10a, 1 plus 1 minus 10a divided by 1 plus 10a. Very simple. If you take LCM, what we are getting? 1 plus 10a LCM. So here it is 1 plus 10a plus 1 minus 10a, bracket close, and here it is 1 plus 10a multiplication. 1 plus 10a and 1 plus 10a cancel out. Plus 10a and minus 10a cancel out. What we are getting? 1 plus 1, 2. That is RHS. Hence proof. Easy? Very good. ट्रिक कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, दैट्स द इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, वहीं से ध्यान रखना है। सम नंबर 3, अगेन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। 10, 50, 60 and 70 degree. Up to class 10th you know out of these 10 नहीं पता है, 50 नहीं पता है, but 60 you know very well. What is 10 sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So जिसकी वैल्यू पता है पहले अपन उसको लिख देते हैं। sin 10 and sin 50 and sin 70, starting from LHS. No problem, the same thing. You know the formula of 2 sin A sin B. So from our side, multiply by 2 and divide by 2. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको इसको फॉर्मूला बनाना है 2 sin A sin B. So here it is root 3 by 4. 2 sin A sin B is a formula. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. Sin 70 as it is. This is nothing but root 3 by 4 cos 40 cos 60 and sin 70. क्यों लिखा? cos minus 40 लिखना चाहिए था यहाँ तो। cos of minus theta is cos theta, इसलिए मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया cos 40. Now if we expand it, root 3 by 4 into cos 40, root 3 by 4 into, yes, cos 60 half, and outside it is sine 70. Again multiply, open the bracket, root 3 by 4 cos 40 sine 70 minus root 3 by 8 sine 70. You know the formula, but if it is 2 cos A cos B or 2 cos A sin B, it means it is not a complete formula. If you multiply by 2, divide by 2, then it will become root 3 by 8, 2 cos A sin B minus root 3 by 8 sin 70. Now you see that this will become a formula, 2 cos A sin B. So here we can apply the formula, root 3 by 8, 2 cos A sin B is a formula, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, correct, into, so minus root 3 by 8 sin 70 as it is. Now root 3 by 8 sin 110 minus root 3 by 8 sin 30 of minus, so it will become sin 30 of plus, easy, and minus root 3 by 8 sin 70. The last step, very simple. What is sin 110? Sin 110 is sin 180 minus 70. This will become root 3 by 16 and this is root 3 by 8 sin 70. Now tell me, what is sin 180 minus theta? Sin theta. So root 3 by 8 sin theta, root 3 by 16, root 3 by 8 sin 70. Cancel out. What we are getting, root 3 by 16, that is RHS. कैसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, मगर ध्यान ही रखना है 2 sin A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, है ना, ये फॉर्मूले इसमें काम में आ रहे हैं। अब ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आपके लिए होमवर्क में, यहाँ पर सब जगह लिख देंगे साइन की जगह cos, 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 आंसर 1/16। तो नोट करिए होमवर्क, cos, 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 and here it is 1/16। Next sum, fourth, sin alpha. Here sin alpha plus pi by 3 and sin alpha plus 2 pi by 3. Again the same thing. 2 sin A sin B is a formula. But here it is only sin A sin B. But 4 is here. So we can write in the next step 2 and here we write 2. अपना काम चल गया. 2 sin A sin B का formula बन गया. So here 2 sin alpha as it is, but it will become a formula, cos A minus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, A plus B. Correct? 2 sin alpha as it is, and inside pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3, that is cos minus pi by 3 minus cos 2 pi by 3 and pi by 3, that is pi, and 2 alpha, alpha and alpha, and you know cos 180 plus theta. See, cos 180 is here and plus theta. Cos remain cos, but in the quadrant of 10, that's why minus. So it will become cos 2 alpha. This is cos minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 60 degree, and cos 60 you know half. So it is 2 sin alpha as it is. Now if you take 2 LCM, what we are getting, 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha, and here it is 2. This 2 cancel out with this 2. Now sin alpha, 1 plus 2, and the formula of cos 2 alpha in terms of sin, you know very well, 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, because we want our answer in terms of sin 3 alpha. So the last step, sin alpha, 1 plus 2 minus 4 sin square alpha. If we open it, what we are getting, 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha. And you know from our last lecture, 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha is a formula of sine 3 alpha. It is nothing but sine 3 alpha, that is RHS. Easy, but very important question. Next sum. Based on simple complementary angle, sine 51 as it is and cos 81 we can write as 90 minus 9, because 81 means 90 minus 9, and you know very well that cos 90 minus theta, class 10th, sine theta. Now what is sine A plus sine B, sine C plus sine D? 2 sine C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Simple direct formula. 2 sine 51 and 9 60, 60 by 2, that is 30 degree, and cos 51 minus 9 42 by 2 21. What is sine 30? Half. Answer is a simple question of 1 mark or 2 mark, not more than that. That is RHS. Easy. Next is again a question where we have to use the very important formula of cos 2 theta. Under root 2 plus 2 is common. If we take 2 common, inside it is 1 plus cos 4 theta. Done? 2 plus inside 2. What is the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? Remember, 1 plus cos 2 theta is, if it is 1 plus cos 2 theta, here it is 1 plus cos 4 theta. So we write directly 1 plus cos 4 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta. Why? If here it is 2 theta, then it is theta. If here it is theta, it is theta by 2. So here we can write 2 cos square 2 theta. Now again 2 plus 4. But outside the root it will become 2 and cos 2 theta. Easy? Again common. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now tell me what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. Again taking out 2 cos theta. RHS. अब इसी क्वेश्चन को क्या करते हैं, कई बार और लंबा कर देते हैं, एक 2 और आगे बढ़ा देते हैं, तो वो होमवर्क हो गया. 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 2 प्लस cos 4 की जगह cos 8 थीटा हो जाएगा. गुड. Now the 7th sum. Question in terms of sec, but right hand side in terms of tan 8a upon tan 2a. So here sec means we can convert into cos. Yes. So sec means 1 upon cos 8a minus 1. Sec 4a means 1 upon cos 4a minus 1. Now tell me, if we take LCM, what we'll get? 1 minus cos 8a divided by cos 8a. And cos 4a LCM, so 1 minus cos 4a. Now you know, we have just used this formula, 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here for this one, we can write 2 sine square half. Half of it means directly we can write 4a. Cos 8a as it is. Divide by 1 minus cos 4a. Again the same formula, but 2 sine square 2a. Divide by cos 4a. This we can adjust it in the form of 2 sine square 4a divided by cos 8a into cos 4a divided by 2 sine square 2a. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. तो 1 by 2 तो ऐसे ही रहता है, और 3, 4 क्या हो जाता है? 4 by 3. We apply this. Now, if we combine these two, 2 sin A cos A formula. So we can write 2 sin 4A cos 4A 1 unit, and sin 4A we can write 2 sin 2A cos 2A. क्या किया, उसके भी टुकड़े कर दिए. देखो वापस से 2 sin 4A cos 4A, ये तो एक साथ हो गया, और एक जो sin 4A बचा उसको क्या लिख दिया, 2 sin 2A cos 2A डिवाइड बाय cos 8A as it is, cos 8A as it is, and this we can write as 2 sin 2A sin 2A in two parts. Now tell me, 2 and 2 cancel out, sin 2A cancel out with 1 sin 2A, cos 2A divided by sin 2A, it is cot 2A, correct? And this will become a formula, 2 sin A cos A sin 2A, but here it is 4A 4A, so it will become sin 8A divided by cos 8A. This will be nothing but tan 8A, and cot 2A we can write as tan 2A. This is nothing but RHS, what we want to prove. So in this way we have completed some important questions of trigonometry class 11th. अब हमारे पास बचती है एक मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज, वो एक्सरसाइज लेकर के आते हैं एक और लेक्चर. तब तक आप रिवाइज करते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए और बढ़ते रहिए. करेक्ट? सो टेक केयर, गुड बाय.